You must be having very special techniques for mindful relaxation techniques like taki, because mental and emotional health, I think, has a huge role to play in the development and
Yes.
fetus, right?
Yes, I agree with you. See, I'll tell you, there is an area in our brain that is called hypothalamus.
Okay.
This hypothalamus is the center of our emotions. At the
Right.
center of limbic system.
Right.
Now, this hypothalamus coincidentally also happens to be the area which controls major important hormones in our body.
Right.
Like, for example, pituitary hormone, thyroid hormone, growth hormone, and rest of the pituitary के ऊपर का जो hypothalamus है, that controls our thirst, that controls our appetite, that controls our body temperature, everything practically. So, you can understand now that if the hypothalamus is disturbed, that is, if my emotions and my mental state is not proper, it is going to affect all these things which I described to you.
And affect all these organs and glands.
Yes. So, your hypothyroidism can be related to stress. Your blood pressure can be related to stress. Your cold, clammy extremities can be related to stress. Your decreased blood supply to baby can be related to stress. Your gestational diabetes can be related to stress. Trust me, if you can control your emotions, all these future complications and problems occurring during pregnancy can be rectified. Important is when you are stressed, your blood vessels undergo constriction and then the blood flow to baby is compromised. And that is how the growth of the baby inside the womb, inside the uterus, gets affected, leading to intrauterine growth retardation. But the question you asked me was about the techniques.
Yeah.
So we have beautiful techniques of pranayam, which I mentioned earlier. I'll tell you one simple thing. When you were born, were you taught how to breathe? No.
Yes.
But then why in pranayam you're taught about to take the breath from the left, exhale from the right, take again from the right, exhale from the left. What is the purpose of doing all this exercise? That is not shwasayam, that is pranayam. Understand, it is the Ida and the Pingala Nadi, which is what is getting stimulated. So you're trying to bring the balance of the pranic energy in your body. Of course, it's a very tough and a difficult science, but just to tell you, in short, these techniques are important to help, quieten your mind, decrease the number of thoughts that come to your mind.
सर डॉक्टर आप ये बात कर रहे हैं, सो आजकल रिसर्च में एंड ऑब्वियसली विद ऑल द अवेयरनेस, इट्स अ फैक्ट, लाइक पहले कभी नहीं सुनते थे इतने छोटे बच्चों को ब्लड प्रेशर, इतने छोटे बच्चों में डायबिटीज,
करेक्ट,
बहुत रेयर फिनोमेना होता था. आज ये रेयर नहीं है,
नहीं है.
आज ये बहुत ऑफन होने लगा है. एंड आई होप यू pregnant parents are listening to this and realizing the importance कि ये कितना ज़रूरी है, how to handle stress. It's a competitive world, we understand that.
Yes.
It's a difficult thing right now. There are a lot of difficulties, lot of challenges. But then अगर हमने अपने ऊपर ये दी है responsibility to bring a child into this world, I think it's so important to understand this part, doctor.
Correct.
ऑनेस्टली मुझे सडनली रियलाइज हो रहा है ये कितना जरूरी है समझना इस चीज को. इट्स नॉट समथिंग स्मॉल. इट्स वेरी इजी सेड, मेंटल हेल्थ का ध्यान रख लो, ये कर लो. नो, बट लुक एट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इट.
करेक्ट.
आपका पूरा आपका जो बच्चा होने वाला है उसकी उसकी मेंटल पूरी स्टेट इस चीज पर डिपेंड करते हैं कि आप अपनी सोच को किस तरफ लेके जा रहे हो.
एंड मेनी मेजर डिसीजेस ऑफ द एडल्टहुड
एब्सोल्युटली
टेक बर्थ in when the child is in utero. This is a proved fact. So it is so important.
Absolutely.
When the first trimester itself, when you are overstressed, that affects the blood supply of the place where the fetus is getting implanted in the uterine cavity. अगर वहाँ पे ब्लड फ्लो ही ठीक नहीं है, वहाँ पे प्लासेंटा ढंग से फॉर्म नहीं हो रहा है, तो अबॉर्शन तो होने वाला ही है ना.
राइट.
फिर सेकंड ट्राइमेस्टर में अगर ये इफेक्ट है स्ट्रेस का ज्यादा, तो बच्चा तो कम वजन का ही पैदा होगा.
बिल्कुल.
और लास्ट थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में इफ यू आर टू मच स्ट्रेस्ड, फिर देखो ये जो पेन्स आते हैं, लेबर पेन्स, वो इनकोऑर्डिनेट यूट्राइन एक्टिविटी हो जाता है, पेन्स अच्छे से नहीं आते, you don't respond to medication properly, you are not ready to bear the labor pains properly, then what happens? You land up with a cesarean. Then why blame the doctor for it? तो इम्पॉर्टेंट ये चीज़ है कि पहले से आप ये प्राणायाम, फिर ये मेंटल क्वाइटनिंग प्रैक्टिसेस के अलावा आपका इमोशनल ट्रैंक्विलाइजेशन इज इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट। उसके लिए मंत्र है, जाप,
Yeah.
भक्ति संगीत है, जो भी म्यूजिक आपको अच्छा लगता है, जो क्लासिकल हो या लाइट म्यूजिक हो, just have to be with the music that helps to relieve the stress to a very very great extent.